Have you heard of the new AI investing tool from OCBC Securities? Yes, this new tool is called AI Oscar. And nope, it's not the movie Oscars that we all know, but it actually stands for OCBC Securities Customer Artificial Intelligence Radar. Alright, so is this AI tool really powerful? Watch until the end of the video as I will do a live demo of this AI tool using my own account to let you take a look. Let's go. Before we dive into the tool itself, there are three key things you should know about it. So the number one thing is that the purpose of this AI tool, right, is actually for OCBC Securities to attract young investors. Because the tool is provided for free only if you are a OCBC Securities customer. So number two, any form of AI needs to be trained from a certain set of data first, and their AI tool is trained with data from over 4,000 stocks coming from SGX, Hong Kong Exchange, and the three vibrant US exchanges like Nasdaq, NYSE, and all. Number three, the tool will generate 5 stock ideas per week from each market based on the risk appetite, past trading activity, and your demographic information like your age. So this means that the ideas I get will be very different from what you're getting. And now let me share screen to show you how this AI tool actually works. And if you have enjoyed this video thus far, I will greatly appreciate it if you can help me to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you get notified every time I release another stock analysis video. Okay, so now this is a live demo of the OCBC Securities platform. I'm a customer since long time ago, and right now I'm going to just show you what this AI tool is actually all about. So when you log in, right, to the OCBC Securities platform, you're actually at the Markets tab. Okay, so what you need to do is just go to the watch list, and you have your own watch list as well as the AI watch list. So basically, it is just a watch list, and the AI will generate stock ideas for you. Okay, so this is the personalized stock ideas from Oscar and is categorized into three markets: Singapore, US, and Hong Kong. Okay, so let me see what are the stocks that they are providing for me. So for Singapore, we have StarHub Global REIT, CapitaLand India Trust, Netlink Trust, Sheng Siong, and Suntec REIT. So four REITs of trust and one Sheng Siong. And to be honest, I haven't been really investing into REITs, so I would say it's quite off by the mark. Okay, and it comes to US, I will also say that many of us will not be familiar with the names. So we have what Striker, Macau, Davita, General Mills, and WEC Energy, which I have no idea what this company is about. And Hong Kong, we have U President, China, Hang Seng Bank, okay, bank, okay, China Power, okay, BYD, more popular ones are and Petro China. So it's either the REITs from Singapore or like maybe the energy uh, companies from Hong Kong or some, you know, companies that I'm not really familiar with in US. Okay, so this is all right. 15 ideas every week from three exchanges. And let's say I want to know more about Sheng Siong, whether I'm able to, make a judgment call from this AI tool. And when I take a look at this, it's quite, I would say, limited information as what I would perceive it to have. So we have fundamentals, which only three: EPS, P ratio, and dividend yield. And if you look at Netlink Trust, usually we will go for price to book ratio, but it's not shown over here. Okay, and if you just hover and click on the icon, it's basically just explaining what it is, and maybe just the analyst price targets as well as the technical indicators. And if you want more information, click on it. Okay, click on the stock itself. It will open up maybe like a pop-up, and you can go to the summary tab, okay, and view more insights. And I do feel that this whole AI watch list tool is more like for you to just maybe get a quick idea, and if you want you can just straight away click and buy on it. Like, it's easy for you to get started trading lah. More of this kind of function rather than providing you with a lot of fundamental or technical information that you want. All right, so this is what it looks like lah for this AI tool. Speaking of which, I want to share about Moomoo, as it is one of the best low-cost brokerage in Singapore. Whether it is zero commission for buying US or Singapore stocks, super user-friendly platform, and a huge range of investment vehicles for you to choose from, like stocks, ETFs, options, and even bonds, Moomoo has everything for you. Plus, they even offer a generous sign-up bonus up to $970, which includes a top 5 traded stock bundle, one Apple share, and a 6.8% guaranteed returns from their Cash Plus promotion. So why wait? Click on the link here or in the description box down below to open your Moomoo account today and start taking advantage of all these incredible benefits. Now let's do a quick recap of the pros versus the cons. So one big advantage I can see is that the AI tool provides you with personalized stock ideas based on your investment goals, your age, and your past trading activity. So if you trade more frequently, say on the REITs in Singapore, it may give you more S-REITs ideas going forward. And the second plus point is, of course, time saving. They automate all this process, right, of identifying and researching the stocks, and may help you to make more informed decisions quickly and efficiently. And the best part is free to use if you are an OCBC Securities customer. Okay, but now for the cons. All right. So a quick glance at the AI tool just shows how limited the information within these stock ideas are generated. Okay, and basically it lacks the very crucial analysis of the important market trends or the insights that will definitely impact our investment decisions. All right. And next, according to their description of how AI Oscar works, it takes my previous trade history and the current holdings into account when giving out ideas. And according to my profile inside, I'm in my 30s. Okay, that's correct. And my top traded stock is Creative. I think that was like maybe way, I don't know how many donkey years ago. And right now, I don't have any current holdings inside the platform. So I would say that isn't this AI watch list gonna be very off the mark, with their so-called stock ideas when new users join the platform without any, backing of the past trading history and things like that. Isn't it not efficient, or not a good use of the AI tool? And to wrap up, right, initially I was very excited to try this new AI tool out, especially when I heard of the news of this launch. But however, to be honest, I'm quite disappointed when I try the tool myself. Okay, so this AI tool is not much different when you compare to stock research platforms that come up with ideas, right, based on the themes like AI lah, clean energy, etc. And honestly, I can just use a screener to filter for better ideas than this. So all in all, I do feel that it's more like a marketing gimmick lah, for people to join OCBC Securities. And now I want to hear from you. Have you tried out this tool yourself? Let me know what you think of this tool in the comments down below. Before we end off, if you find the video helpful, I would appreciate it if you can help me to tap the like button and share the video so more people get to know about this video. Next up, don't forget to check out this video over here if you have another few minutes to spare. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching and ciao.